Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer XRP from Uphold to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just exploring new wallets, this step-by-step process will help you do it smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First off, a quick heads up. XRP runs on its own blockchain, the XRP Ledger, while MetaMask is mainly for Ethereum-based assets. So, you'll need to add the XRP network to MetaMask to make this work. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Step 1. Open the MetaMask app or extension on your device and ensure you're logged in. Go to the Network drop-down menu, select Add Network, and enter the details for the XRP Ledger. You'll need the network name as XRP Ledger, RPC URL like https://s1.ripple.com. Chain ID is 144, and the symbol is XRP. Save it, and now your MetaMask is ready for XRP. Step 2. Head over to your Uphold account. Log in securely and navigate to your XRP wallet. Here, select the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions aren't instant, so double-check everything to avoid fees or errors. Step 3. In Uphold, choose the Withdraw or Send option. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field. Make sure it's the correct address from your MetaMask. Copy it directly to prevent any mistakes. Set the network to XRP Ledger if prompted, and confirm the transaction details, including any network fees. Step 4. Review and finalize the transfer. Hit Send, and Uphold will process your request. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your MetaMask wallet. Your XRP should appear. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Uphold to MetaMask. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and double-check addresses to stay safe in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.